Turn. Relax. Relax, relax. Not relax. Your body will get on the ground. You gotta sing. You need to just relax. Quick turn, quick turn. Relax, relax. Do not turn yet. Not yet. Did I say turn na? Then why are you turning? Quick turn. Yan. Down, no? Turn. Turn. Your back. 1, 2, 3. Then turn. Paddle and kick. Turn. Relax. Lift your back. Turn. Bubbles. Turn. Turn. Relax. Tummy up. Tummy up. Do not turn yet. Tummy up. Tummy up. Straight your arms. Get air. Turn. Go. Paddle and kick. Turn. Tummy up. Relax. Relax. Paddle and kick. Kick. Turn. String your back. String and kick. Turn. Turn. Paddle your arms. Turn. Hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath. Turn. Just hold your breath. All you need to do is relax. Bubbles. Yeah! Relax. Here, turn again. Go. Paddle and kick. Turn. Relax, tummy up. Relax, get here, turn, go. Paddle and kick. Turn, one more. Turn on your back. This time.
Bye, coach.
Bye-bye. Ready? Point your arms into the water. Lower. Lower. Bend your tummy. Ready? One more. Point your arms into the water. Here. Go. Good. No kick, no kick, no kick. Good. Going back. Ganun siya i-assist sa una. Then, papagawa niyo siya on your own. See? Further. Sit down. Strong push up, feet on the wall. Lift your arms up. Get air. Face. You can do it. You can do it. Try to do it on your own. Arms into the water. Just relax. Get air. Face down. Drop your body. Good. 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 Breathe. Good. Breathe. You need to breathe. Go. Good. Air. Face down. Go. Good. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Good. Breathe. Good. Breathe. And good. Just hold your breath. Hold your breath. Let's spend the next time. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
You next week again? Bye again.